The world's most versatile interchangeable lens action camera just got better. This is the brand new Insta360 ONE RS. The ONE RS builds on its predecessor, the ONE R, combining their innovative 2-in-1 modular design with major experience and performance upgrades that include a new 4K boost lens, HDR video, 48 megapixel photo, and a 6K widescreen mode. There's also a new core and processor that enables in-camera stabilization and crisper audio. Not to mention it still has the 5.7K 360 video recording, making the new ONE RS the perfect tool for any creator who needs to capture the best footage possible for any action scenario. So let's roll. Let's dive into what's new, starting with the new 4K boost lens. This is an upgrade to the previous 4K wide-angle lens. Thanks to a larger half-inch 48 megapixel sensor, the ONE RS lets in more light and therefore captures more details in stunning 4K resolution up to 60 frames per second, resulting in smooth, high-quality video to capture your action. It offers 4 different fields of view: ultra-wide, wide, linear, and narrow, so depending on the action, you'll have options to compose your shot. The new sensor can also capture 48 megapixel photos in a 4:3 ratio, which is 4 times more pixels than the ONE R, providing incredible detail and reframing capabilities in post. Plus, if shooting in pure shot mode, the ONE RS will enhance the dynamic range, reduce noise, and increase detail. This new sensor also makes 2 new innovative modes possible. The first mode is Active HDR, which stands for High Dynamic Range. This mode will keep your video stabilized as you move while maintaining details in the highlights and the shadows for much more vibrant footage. The second mode is the 6K widescreen mode for ultra high-res video with a cinematic aspect ratio of 235:1. So if you want a touch of Hollywood in your action videos, this is for you. The ONE RS boasts a new core processor that promises an enhanced flow state stabilization that provides gimbal-like stabilization in camera with 0 editing required. This means creators can record a clip with built-in stabilization and the ONE S saves it as an MP4, and then you can immediately share it to social media, which is great because the new core's processor has improved Wi-Fi transfer speeds by 50% for faster sharing. The new core module will now allow users to quickly zoom in up to 2.7 times on a subject while they are recording. So if the framing isn't quite right after the action has already started, just zoom in or zoom out. There's no need to set up your shot in advance. The quick menus can also be easily found and accessed via the LCD touchscreen on the back of the ONE RS core. As mentioned, the ONE RS has crisper audio thanks to a new additional mic, making 3 mics in total, working in tandem with the new processor's audio algorithm for improved audio. The new ONE RS battery provides 21% more capacity than its predecessor. As a result, the mounting bracket has been redesigned to match the new ONE RS battery and is now easier to use thanks to a quick release button. The bracket will also help with heat dissipation during longer recording times, and it has a built-in wind cover to boost audio performance. This new bracket also makes it possible to submerge the ONE RS underwater down to 16 feet. Make sure the battery is attached properly, the USB-C port is closed properly with no yellow bar showing. Then insert it into the new mounting bracket, lock the bracket in place so you can safely submerge underwater. Shoot first, point later with the 360 reframing feature. Take advantage of the modular design and attach the tried and true 5.7K 360-degree dual lens mod with flow state stabilization built in, and record your content in 5.7K resolution at 30 frames per second, and then reframe to wherever you want in post-production. Use keyframes to change your tilt, pan, roll, zoom, and lens curve to create unique and dynamic points of view. Now, I had never shot 360 video before, and it was a lot of fun to play with. It introduces a whole new realm of storytelling possibilities. Creators have the option to download Insta360 Studio desktop software for easy editing of 360 footage, or use the Premiere Pro plugin that you can download off Insta360 site to use with Adobe Premiere, which is what I did. Visit Insta360.com for more in-depth tutorials about properly importing and exporting your 360 footage using Adobe Premiere Pro. If you need an alternative to keyframe editing, then download the Insta360 app and use Snap Wizard to easily reframe by swiping or moving your phone. Your changes will be saved and you can then export a final clip for sharing. Speaking of the app, creators can also take advantage of ShotLab, an AI-powered editing suite that features an array of templates. Just select the footage you want to edit and the AI does the rest. The latest template is Center Stage Effect, where AI automates your movements mimicking a robotic arm. Insta360 plans to continually roll out new shot lab effects, so be sure to check back in the app. And just like the One R, the One RS with the 360 dual lens mod will make your selfie stick disappear like magic. So you can achieve fake drone shots to impress all your friends. If you're familiar with the Insta360 ONE R, you will be pleased to know that you can still find Insta360's signature shooting modes like burst mode, time-lapse mode, time shift, bullet time, loop recording, night mode, star-lapse mode, and slow motion mode, offering up to 200 frames per second in HD and 100 frames per second in 2K. In the box, you get all 4 modular pieces: the new core, the new 4K boost lens, the 360 dual lens, the new battery with the USB-C cable, and the new mounting bracket. Plus, you can separately purchase a new and convenient quick reader that is a plug-and-play micro SD card reader that will make your file transfers faster and easier. It will plug into your camera via USB-C port and then plug into your phone for editing, thus eliminating the need to transfer files over Wi-Fi, saving both your camera's battery and storage on your phone. It also comes with a cleaning cloth that is crucial to keeping your lenses clean, so make sure to use it before every shoot because dust, dirt, or fingerprint smudges can really ruin your shot. If you do happen to already own the Insta360 ONE R, you'll be pleased to learn that you can use the 4K boost lens with the ONE R and thus take advantage of all the new core benefits that we talked about today. You can also use your ONE R core and lenses with the ONE RS battery base. However, the new ONE RS battery base is not compatible with the ONE R mounting bracket due to its larger size and capacity. In conclusion, the new Insta360 ONE RS is a great action camera that can serve many needs for content creators. The modular design means you get 2 cameras for the price of 1. The 4K boost lens will deliver 48 megapixel photos and better looking 4K video with more dynamic range and better stabilization, while the new processor equals faster sharing to social media and crisper sounding audio. It's also a great entry-level camera for any creator looking to explore 360 video, like me. The 5.7K dual lens mod attaches easily, and the Insta360 smartphone app makes it incredibly simple to edit and share with all your followers. All of this, plus the additional signature capture modes, makes the Insta360 ONE RS the most versatile action camera with loads of potential for content creation. What is your favorite part of the Insta360 ONE RS? Is this your next action camera? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.